Hi there, another quick video on how to add category playlists into SAM Broadcaster. Again, this is the old version of SAM, but they're both pretty much similar. Right, the first thing you're looking at then is where your playlists are. You'd right click on that, choose new, and then you name it whatever you want. I won't say the name of this one out loud, but it's coming up pretty soon. So then you need to tell Sam that you want to put some tracks into that folder, because at the moment it's pretty empty. Right click on the one you just made, click add, well you don't click, just hover over add, and then add directory, because you can add a single file, add a URL or playlist, but mine are already categorized into directories, so add directory. It's already gone to my music folder, or my music drive, and that's the one I'm looking for there, so highlight that one, click OK, and Sam will find them and automatically add them into the list. Once Sam puts them in there, they will then be in all the other categories that you can play, because I don't know whether you know this, but if you scroll down, what am I looking for? I'm looking for groups. You can then choose to view all your tracks by artist. Come down this side, by album. So if you were looking for now, that's what I call music or something, scroll down to the ends, now 48, and there's all the tracks that were on that CD. It's pretty good, pretty easy to use, but your new ones are all there, so you just double click as normal, go straight into the queue. We'll come back with another one in a minute, so be good and take care.